2 weeks after a judge ordered the Alligator Alcatraz migrant detention camp to shut down, a higher court has ruled the facility in the Everglades can remain open pending more litigation.
That decision came down late this afternoon, leading the governor to celebrate, with opponents vowing to continue the legal fight. Ari Height joining us now in the studio with that reaction and a look at what happens next. Ari?
Yeah, it's important to recognize that this ruling today does not decide this case. What it does is stop the case until a decision can be made. Shortly after the court decision was announced, Florida Governor Ron DeSantis took to social media to declare victory.
So Alligator Alcatraz is, in fact, like we've always said, open for business. The mission continues.
Open for business, but for how long? Here's the background. A group called Friends of the Everglades filed a lawsuit saying Alligator Alcatraz should be shut down because of environmental concerns. A lower court agreed and ordered the facility closed in 60 days. The state of Florida appealed that ruling, and on Thursday, the Court of Appeals issued what's known as a stay in the case. In other words, they pushed pause on the whole thing until they can make a final ruling. Attorney Dave Aronberg says it's a win for DeSantis, but the case is not over yet.
It's a temporary victory because this could still be changed when the 11th Circuit rules in final.
And Friends of the Everglades is pointing to that fact as reason for optimism. They released a statement which says, in part, the case is far from over. In fact, it's just starting and we're committed to fighting on. The court entered a limited stay order. While disappointing, we never expected ultimate success to be easy. So as for what happens next, the Court of Appeals will now hear arguments from both sides before making an official ruling on the future of Alligator Alcatraz. But Aronberg tells me he believes, regardless of what that court rules, whoever loses will almost certainly appeal. Aronberg believes this case will eventually wind up in front of the Supreme Court. But because of today's ruling, Alligator Alcatraz will continue to operate while this case makes its way through the legal system. Reporting live, Ari Height, WPBF 25 News.